Guys, this is Wendy and today we are changing topic and we're going to discuss skincare again. And today I'm sharing my favorite combo for a homemade mask. Only two ingredients, aloe vera and honey. And I don't just want to show you like what I do and how I do it. I also want to be able to explain why I chose these ingredients and how good they are for your skin. I have, if I must say so myself, I have a pretty nice skin. Don't forget I'm 35. And yeah, it's a lot of just maintenance, but it's so simple and actually it can be part of your self-care. It's the weekend, you do one deep mask a week and you do your hair at the same time. Actually, I still have a conditioner in my hair, and what I'm going to do is apply this mask until I'm ready to wash my hair and wash my face. So as I was mentioning, I am going to use aloe vera and honey. I'm going to let you know how much to use out of each of these ingredients. But first of all, what I would like is, and I'm gonna take my phone and actually read what the science is saying about it and the reason why it worked. But I didn't really know because it's something that I got from my mama and it was working, so I kept doing it. But basically, so aloe vera has a antibacterial properties that can help control and reduce acne causing bacteria. Two other ingredients that have been studied and found to have the same effect are cinnamon and honey. But on top of that, honey is going to also give a glow to your skin. It's going to give you that glow. It's going to make sure that it's going to help if you have maybe some acne scars or any type of blemishes and things of that nature. And basically, by combining the two for an at-home spa treatment, you'll be upping your chances at smooth skin that's acne free. The proof is in the pudding. And I'm not bragging because if you watch my previous video, which I suggest you do, you know where I came from. I came from a life of at this point I was like, it's acne disease. I mean, seriously, it was so bad. And now I'm like, I don't even want to wear makeup. Sometimes I'm like, it will be nice, but yes. So let me show you how do I mix, how much do you add on each out of each of the ingredients for it to be the best combination as possible. So first of all, let's start with the aloe vera. You can use this type of pre-cutted aloe vera. If you want to go all in, you can actually buy aloe vera and then cut it in half and then take a spoon and take the aloe vera. I'm not that kind of girl. I'm a little lazy, so you can find this easily on Amazon and it's very inexpensive. So the first thing, so then I take a little glass like this with a tablespoon, and what I'm going to do is apply 2 tablespoons of aloe vera, just like this. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to put it on my face. So this is 1 tablespoon, just like that. going to get the second tablespoon. There you go. And actually, I am Haitian. I was not born in Haiti, but in Haiti it's very common to use aloe vera for all types of things, for wounds, for moisturizing your skin. I mean, I grew up with aloe vera and honey, like being used for tea. You use your honey for tea, you use your honey for your skin, you use honey even for your hair. Honey is actually really nice. If you would like to have hair, if you would like to lighten your hair, little by little and very gently, all you have to do is add a little bit of honey to your conditioner and you let it sit, and actually is going to lighten your hair. Just a little extra tip. So then I'm going to, of course, just want to make sure I get all the aloe vera in the glass, and then my honey. This honey is actually from Portugal. I try to the best of my ability and with what's in my pocket to support um, products from Portugal, because after all, that's where I live as of now. So I'm not showing you because you know that once honey is on your clothes, it's a mess. Okay, just a little bit more, just like that, and there we go. And actually this honey is very, very good. Love it for everything. And then I'm going to mix the concoction until I have the substance that I would like, because you know that honey is much thicker than aloe vera, so that's why we actually put 2 tablespoons of aloe vera and 1 tablespoon of honey. And I know that it's ready when, oopsie, when, you know, this is the consistency, it moves. It means that both of the ingredients are mixed together. And now I'm going to take this brush, which is meant to apply makeup, but I'm gonna use it to apply the homemade mask. So there we go. And I suggest to use this type of brushes because it helps. I mean, it's more convenient. It's just more convenient, and yeah, or you can apply it with your fingers, I guess, but it can kind of gets messy. Oh my god, this honey smells amazing. You can tell it's a very, very nice honey. I wonder, like, sometimes I imagine, you know, the bees and how they actually. I watched a documentary, and I actually, when I used to be in middle school, they would every single year send us to the honey where they actually make honey, and it was a cool experience to see how they actually work. And I don't know, I like to reflect on this type of things, because in this bottle a bunch of little bees have been working really hard. So so that I can use the honey for my skin. And actually, it makes me think that I'm going to make me some tea tonight or whenever I feel like, and put a little bit of it in it because I have some type of congestion. And yeah, hopefully I'm not getting sick. I just fell asleep with candles and I wasn't supposed to sleep. I wanted to watch something and then bye-bye. But that's cool. I'm grateful and thankful that my body got the rest it needs. That's what matters to me. And there we go. And you must have noticed I apply it on my lips also. I'm gonna apply a little more on my forehead. And the only tricky thing is sometimes I tend to be like, so I just need to keep my tongue in my mouth. And then one thing that I like to do as well is go for my neck, because it actually also help with the collagen of your skin. So to tighten, to not really tighten, but make sure that your skin keeps the existing elasticity. I am going to repeat myself. If you haven't watched my previous videos, once it falls, once your face falls, there is no going back. You may have to go to a surgeon if you really care that much. But once it's over, sometimes it's not over, but when it's over, when it comes to your skin, it's over. It's not like hair that grows back, and basically this is the part of the skin of your body that is the most sensitive. And now I'm going overboard because I want to be soaked in that mask. And yeah, so don't neglect the neck. Just like when you wear makeup, you make sure that your neck and your face matches. So it's kind of the same idea. If it's going to brighten your skin or things of that nature, you want to make sure that everything matches. And now I think I need to stop. Look at this. Oh my god, this is amazing. And I like to apply it very carefully around my eyes, under my eyes as well. It helps with the collagen again of your skin, so elasticity. If you have like wrinkles, you know, the smiling wrinkles, this is the area where you want to put some extra love. Tac. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And the amazing thing is it's all natural, and which doesn't mean that you can use any natural product because just because it's natural doesn't mean that it cannot be dangerous. But aloe vera and honey is amazing. So let the bacteria go, and that I still have some left over. So what I'm going to do is put it in a little small jar that I have, and I may do it again during the week. Usually because it's a dip mask, it's not like the Garnier with the tissue with barely, like with some water and like a little bit of moisturizer. And so I actually wait, actually let the mask sink in, like leave it on my skin for about 20 minutes or 30 minutes, or whenever I feel like it's getting dry. And that's pretty much it. So I hope it was helpful, and honestly, it's very affordable, and you can use these products for so many other things, for your body skin with the aloe vera, honey for your tea, for your hair, and yeah, I'm really enjoying that time of my life where I have to use my imagination because I cannot afford these Clarins thing. And actually, I realized that there's nothing like natural products, to be honest. And sometimes you really buy things for the name of it and hoping for the best, and even sometimes convince yourself that it's working when it's not even working, but you paid the price. So it's got a math. The math is gotta be matting in your brain, so you justify the price, and it doesn't work really, but you're like, oh yeah, I just need to wait what 3 more months. But anyways, this is all for today. So simple: 2 tablespoons of aloe vera and 1 tablespoon of honey. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any mask combo that you're using, let me know down below, and if you used it, let me know how it worked for you. It's not a one-time thing. I do it once a week, if not once every 2 weeks, but I really want to be more consistent, because actually my skin is doing good, so I'm not really in a situation where I'm like, oh, I really need to do it. Like, my hair is something else. That's why you see a lot of videos about my hair, because by next year I would like for my hair to be the same length it was before I bleached my hair, and it was a catastrophe, and it's in a previous video. But as far as my skin, I need to remind myself to not take the state of my skin for granted, and that's that. So subscribe, comment, send me some love, and see you in the next video. Boop.